Good morning students, welcome to the class. See, in the last class we discussed the first topic of this chapter, that is coastal plains and the islands. And in the last class we completed the topic that was coastal plains. And in today's class we are going to discuss about the islands. So, I want you to open your textbooks and be ready. See, what are islands? Islands are the land masses which are covered by water from all the sides. You might have seen in the pictures that in the ocean you can see various land masses and they are covered by water from all the sides. So, for example, this is an island and there will be water all around the island. That means the island is covered by water from all the sides. India has two group of islands. First one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands and second is Lakshadweep. So in today's class we are going to discuss more about these two islands. Yes, students, firstly we are going to discuss about the first group of island, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. See, Andaman and Nicobar is a union territory. It is a union territory of India. That means there is a union government that functions. Then the second point here, Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This island has the capital, that is Port Blair. Next, group of 52 islands. See, Andaman and Nicobar Islands has 572 islands. It has various islands. Some are small, some are big, and in total it has 572 islands. Then, northern group is known as the Andaman and the southern group is known as the Nicobar. That means this Andaman is on the north side and the southern group which is that is the Nicobar Islands. That means this is on the north side and this is on the south side. See, now here the area of Andaman and Nicobar is 8,000 square kilometer. That means it is spread over 8,000 square kilometers. Then there are many islands on this group, but only 36 islands are inhabited. That means on only 36 islands the population or the people stays or live there, and other group of other islands are very small. So that's why there is no population. Only on 36 islands the people are living there. Then dense forest. Andaman and Nicobar Island has very dense forest. And the last point here is Indira Point is the southernmost part. There the Indira Point, it is the last, or we can say the southernmost point of our country. It is the last point where to the south. Students, now we are going to discuss the second group of island, that is Lakshadweep. See, it is the smallest union territory of India. It is the smallest union territory of India because the area is very less. Then Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. It is the capital of Lakshadweep. Then it has 36 coral islands and from which 10 are inhabited. Lakshadweep has 36 coral islands, but from that only 10 islands are inhabited. That means only on 10 islands people are living. Then it is the southwest coast in Arabian Sea. The location of Lakshadweep Island is in the Arabian Sea, to the southwest of Arabian Sea. Then it has an area of 32 square kilometers. The area is very less. That's why it is the smallest union territory of India. So So these are the points for Lakshadweep. See students, now we are going to discuss about the life in the islands. As you know, the life in the islands is not that easy as it is on the other areas, because in islands you do not get all the facilities that we get in other, or we can say in our country. So now we will discuss about the life in the islands. See, the climate of islands is hot and humid throughout the year, but in the monsoon season it has very high rainfall, and due to the heavy rainfall it has dense forest. So we can say that the climate of the islands is hot and humid, and during monsoon it has great amount of rainfall. Then tribals, the people that live in the islands are generally the tribal people, and they have their own cultures and festivals. They follow their own traditions. But nowadays many other people have gone to these islands and they have got settled there. Then rice with fish is the staple food of the island. Island group has rich amount of fishes, so their staple food is rice with fish. Then fishing and farming are the main occupation of island, or we can say the people living on the island. They have fishing and farming. This is the main occupation of the people living in islands. Then paddy is grown in the Andaman group. That means in the Andaman group of island, paddy is grown more, that is rice. And in the Nicobar island, coconut is planted more. Andaman has more rice cultivation and Nicobar has more coconut plantation. Yes. See, now we are going to discuss some more points. First one is coconut and fishing is the major activity of Lakshadweep. The people living in the Lakshadweep group of island, they does the fishing as well as the coconut plantation. This is their main activity. Next, eco-friendly tourist destination. See, the islands, they are eco-friendly. That means very less pollution, no noise, and the very calm place. So it has become eco-friendly tourist destination. People like to visit these islands during their free time. Then scenic beauty, water sports and marine exploration. These are the main attractions of our island group. That is, first one is scenic beauty. The beauty of island is so pure. There is no pollution and less population, due to which tourists are attracted towards it. That means the beauty of nature. Then people also go there because many water sports are also held there. Scuba diving. Scuba diving is the main water sport for which tourists visit islands. Then marine exploration. They do the marine exploration because there are coral reefs. You know about coral reefs. They scuba divers, they generally go and explore the marine life of the ocean. Then cellular jail. This is the most important thing. Port Blair is the place where cellular jail is there. See, you know that our country was under the British rule, and what they used to do, when the freedom fighters, the Indian freedom fighters, they used to take the freedom fighters from our country and they used to put them in the cellular jail, which is in Port Blair, because from there they could not come back to our country because there is ocean. So even if they escape from the jail, everywhere there is water. So the Britishers, they kept the Indian fighters, the Indian freedom fighters, into cellular jail. And nowadays people visit Port Blair and they go and see the cellular jail as well. So we can say that the islands, they have the natural beauty which attracts the tourist, and it is a tourist destination. So this was the explanation for the topic, that was islands, under which we discussed about the Andaman and Nicobar and also Lakshadweep. So I hope you understood the topic well, and it was easy. The topics were easy. Even if you find any doubt in this chapter, you can contact us and you can get your doubts cleared. And whatever work is given to you, you need to do the work in your homes. So thank you for today, and stay safe, stay at home.